is the basic parental rights of being able to educate your children.
It's a case that's a first of its kind here in Leon County. Two Tallahassee parents arrested for how they homeschool their children. Good evening, I'm Greg Angel. Thank you for joining us. Mika's off tonight. Steve and Christina Spell were first arrested more than 2 years ago. They say the charges they face are all related to how they homeschool their children. It's now raising new questions about homeschooling and the Spell's future. Here now is WTXL ABC 27's Christina Resnick with more from both sides.
I thought that for our family, homeschooling was just an important option.
Steve and Christina Spell have 8 kids ranging in ages from 6 months to 21 years, and they've homeschooled every one of them for most of their lives.
I felt like it was something that our family would benefit from because we have different ages and different ranges and different styles of learning.
In 2010, after moving back to Leon County, Christina Spell says they registered with the district under a non-traditional homeschool. Everything at that point was in order until a sheriff's deputy came knocking on their door in February of 2011. That's when the couple was arrested and charged with contributing to the delinquency of a minor and failure to require school attendance. Christina says a family member complained to the school district about their children being homeschooled, adding that before they were arrested, they had met twice with a school district liaison who wanted to ensure they were following district policy for homeschooling.
I thought that that was it, that it was settled.
Christina says they've done nothing wrong, and their legal battle has now become more than just a requirements issue.
What it's turned into is the basic parental rights of being able to educate your children, allowing families to develop an educational program that your children can flourish in.
I think people should have a right to homeschool. Every child learns differently.
Christina's daughters, 20-year-old Autumn and 17-year-old Mackenzie, say they're frustrated by the case.
They're going off of what one person said and then just going with it.
They had never met any of my children. Not one. No visits, no nothing. They'd never laid eyes on any of my kids.
But prosecuting attorney Brian Miller says this case is not an attack on homeschooling. He says it's simply a matter of the family, quote, not maintaining requirements and doing it incorrectly. He says the Spells carry misdemeanor charges. There could be a maximum sentence of 300 days in jail for Steve and 600 days for Christina. But Miller says jail time is usually only associated with felonies, so any kind of prison sentence in this situation is unlikely. Still, the Spell family says they've done nothing wrong.
We have complied with everything. We've done everything that's been asked.
After 2 years of court delays, the Spells are scheduled to go to trial next month. In Tallahassee, Christina Resnick, WTXL ABC 27, dedicated to you.
Leon